Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to introduce to you a feature of the MKT TIKPRO software, which is the function to add accounts and add Proxies. This software will help you manage a large number of your TikTok accounts. At the same time, you can also add multiple Proxies and assign them individually to each account. First, I'll go over the first feature, which is adding accounts. Here, you'll go to the Add Category section. In this section, you can enter any name you like. For example, here I'll enter TikTok category. Then I'll click the plus sign to add this category. You can add categories according to your needs. For example, you can meticulously categorize your accounts by specific industry sectors, by distinct job roles, or by various customer categories. This crucial categorization process entirely depends on your precise intended use and strategic objectives. After successfully adding a new category, you will then seamlessly move on to the dedicated account addition section. When diligently adding individual accounts, you will be presented with the following essential formats. First, you will input the unique username, then the corresponding secure password, followed by the associated email address, and finally, the email password. However, the most critically important component is undoubtedly the cookie. This powerful cookie specifically allows you to log into your TikTok account directly, efficiently, and with enhanced security, bypassing traditional login methods. Here, I have already meticulously prepared a comprehensive list of TikTok accounts, ensuring that all the required formats are perfectly aligned and ready for use. After you have carefully formatted everything correctly and precisely, you simply need to copy and paste it here into the designated field. Once you have successfully pasted the information, you will then proceed to select the appropriate format from the available options. First, you must carefully choose the specific category you wish to add these new accounts to. Next, you will select the exact format. The first field is for the unique ID, then the secure password, then the essential cookie, then the associated email, and finally, the email password. After you have completely finished adding all the accounts, you must click the Save button to confirm your entries. The software now clearly shows that 22 accounts have been successfully and accurately added out of a total of 22. Click OK to confirm this successful operation. After diligently adding these accounts, I will then proceed to reset the data and carefully select the TikTok category 1 for further actions. I click on it and then press load. The software will diligently load all 22 accounts for you. After that, I'll carefully select them and then highlight them. Next, we move on to the crucial step of adding proxies to each individual account. You don't need to add them manually one by one. The software will efficiently add them in bulk and distribute them evenly among all the accounts for you. Here, I already have a proxy file prepared and ready for use. The proxy file has the following format. First is the host, then the port, then the username, and finally the password. Okay, that's the complete proxy format. I'll copy it and go back to the software specifically to TIKPRO. Right click, choose select, then go to the paste section. I'll paste the proxies in their correct order. After I paste them, the software will automatically assign each proxy address to each individual account, and those are the essential steps to bulk add TikTok accounts into the TIKPRO software. Next, I can also assign a proxy to each account individually if needed. This powerful software solution genuinely helps you efficiently log in and effectively manage a very large number of diverse TikTok accounts. And that truly brings us to the conclusion of this informative video presentation. If you would like me to thoroughly cover all the extensive features and functionalities of this exceptional software, or to provide even more detailed, comprehensive usage instructions and tutorials, you can certainly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel so that I can continue to create and produce many more valuable and insightful videos for you in the foreseeable future. Goodbye for now, and I sincerely look forward to seeing you again next time.